This is Bhavya from Digital Tech, and today we'll be looking at the student CV module of our ERP system. So CV, as we know, is also known as curriculum vitae, is very crucial for the students, especially high school students. So it's important that the school is able to build their CV so that it aids in their college admissions, applications, or any other co-curricular activities such as internship, etc. that they wish to do. So when we click on this particular module, we have these two sub-modules under it. So the first module that we'll be looking at is build CV. So this will allow the school management to build the CV for all the students individually. So firstly, we can select the class and a list of all the students in that class appears. So for whichever student we wish to form the CV, we can click over here. So as we can see, all of the necessary information is available over here, and then you can start filling up the details of the CV. So you can enter the work experience and all the related information such as the institute, designation, year, location, and any other details. And you can remove it, or in case there are more than one experiences, then you can keep on adding them and you can save them in order to upload it on the CV. Then moving on to education or qualifications, you can enter the course, university, year and details, etc. so that all of these details are also uploaded. Plus, if you need to add multiple details such as for 10th, 12th, graduation, post-graduation, etc., then you can keep doing that. You can also add technical skills. So you can enter the broad category of skills along with some other details so that all of these technical or soft skills are also mentioned on the student's CV. You can also mention reference. So in case the student is applying for any job, then you can mention the reference of the person if applicable. Any other details, etc., such as a brief summary of the person, can also be entered over here, and the entire thing can be saved so that the CV building process is complete. Then, in case you wish to change a few settings of the CV, you can click on the setting option, wherein you can see we have enabled all of these details, which are the fields of the CV. We also have other fields such as these. So in case there are certain fields which the student doesn't wish to include, for example, if there is some high school student for whom we are building the CV and they do not have any prior work experience or they do not read the reference field, then we can simply disable these options. And we can also edit the student panel CV setting as to whether you wish to disable or enable the feature to download the CV. And you can save these settings so that you can build the CVs accordingly. The next submodule we have is download CV. So as we have already built the CV for all the students, assuming all the CVs are ready, we can click on any student and download their CV from here.